Your phone has 67 apps. You only use 7. The average person wastes 3.5 hours weekly switching between apps. That's 8 days per year. Mobile apps cost $170 billion annually to build and maintain. Yet 99% do the same things: pay, move, save, prove identity. Every app you download is a liability. Banking apps, ride apps, health apps. Each one holds fragments of your life. Each one can be hacked. Each one takes your data. The UN counts 1.7 billion adults without bank accounts. They all have phones. Meanwhile, Americans pay $329 annually in hidden banking fees. For what? Moving money that already belongs to them. The infrastructure layer is broken. Payments run on 1970s rails. Identity verification happens 500 times across different apps. Your medical records live in 12 different systems. None talk to each other. So we build the infrastructure layer. One agent. One identity. One wallet. Runs your payments, logistics, health, savings, and rights. Same experience in Lagos or London. Build your agent at lumariqus.com.